So in the last video you saw we got the base down and we got part of the frame up. We still only got part of the frame up. We found a little bit of hardboard for the floor, which has all been treated as well. The glass has come out. I'm just taking this front end off first while the weather's holding out because it's been raining. Next step is to take the electric from inside the cabin, which we will cover over for now, get it in a weatherproof socket, attach it to the new cabin, take that wall out and extend the floor, and then we're going to be taking that side wall out there and extending it back into there, and moving that rear wall back as far as we can again and make it into a fence, because there's actually no fence into our neighbour's garden there. The cabin is the only thing stopping encroachment from either party. So we're going to get on. We're taking this down, just the front I think today, just because the weather doesn't know if it's going to be nice or horrible. So we'll come back when we're done what we've doing for today. Boys, come out this please. There. Try and mind yourself. Make sure it's right up against there like that. Right, so we've got most of the frame up for this side. I've just got to do the bracing. You see Oliver's up on the roof of the old cabin. He's taken all the tin, the rubbish tin off. I'm going to take that off so we can take the roof off the old one, move it to the new one. And then we're going to start taking the walls down, which are pallets, which is going to be used to make the next bit of flooring so that we can carry on moving. So just put you up on the thing so you can see what Oliver's doing for a minute. Yeah, you've got to take off all of that tin work there. Ryan, if you want to hold the pot up for Oliver to put the screws in.
I'll go up there.
But once he's taken the tin off the roof, we've got to strip the tarpaulin off the roof as well. And then we can start moving the roof over and dismantling the rest of the old cabin. And start making the floor for the new one, ready for the next delivery of timber. Now we've got 2 pieces of C16 timber left, which we're going to use to frame the door, where I managed to get a free double glazed door and frame off of Facebook. It was free to collector, so we went and got that. We're going to repurpose that and we're going to look at getting some windows and paneling it all up. So it's getting there. See, Oliver's found seeds. That'll be from the hazel tree.
Helicopter.
Oh, helicopter.
Throw it.
Sycamore tree. Where's the sycamore tree then?
Throw it in the air.
See, wonders never cease. We don't actually have a sycamore tree here. We've got hazel trees, but